Is the Nintendo Switch 2 still worth it in 2025? 1 year after its highly anticipated launch, this gaming powerhouse continues to impress, solidifying its place as a top-tier console and portable gaming device. Initially, many wondered if it was a necessary upgrade, but the Switch 2 has proven its value, delivering graphics that rival some PC gaming handhelds while maintaining Nintendo's signature multifunction design, complete with a TV dock and modular Joy-Cons. Despite the absence of a new Zelda or 3D Mario at launch, the first year brought an incredible lineup of exclusive titles like Donkey Kong Bonanza and the surprisingly addictive Pokémon Pokopia, alongside critically acclaimed third-party ports such as Resident Evil Requiem and Cyberpunk 2077. The console's ability to run these demanding games makes the Nintendo Switch 2 a formidable contender in the competitive gaming market. While the price has recently adjusted to $500, making console gaming feel more like a luxury, Nintendo is sweetening the deal by offering a free top-tier game like Donkey Kong Bonanza or Mario Kart World with your purchase, a fantastic saving of $70 or more. Find links to these amazing bundles in the description below. You might be wondering about battery life or the LCD screen, and while they're not perfect, the incredible game library and versatility often outweigh these minor compromises for most users. With Nintendo's own digital game prices seeing a slight reduction and an increasing number of games becoming Switch 2 exclusives, now is truly a prime time to consider this handheld marvel. If you're looking for the ultimate portable gaming experience with a growing catalog of must-play titles, the Nintendo Switch 2 is an investment that keeps on giving.